Assalamu alaikum students. Do you know what do you need for understanding different features of Earth or to locate a place on Earth? Yes, it's a map. Today our topic is maps and we will also discuss different types of maps. Map and its types. A map is a plain drawing of a part or whole Earth on a piece of paper. In fact, a map is an image of the surface of Earth that helps to locate a particular place on it. Look at the images of three maps on the next page. You can tell by looking at them that they are drawings, but on a piece of flat paper. That is helping you to understand the shape or physical features of Pakistan. You may have noticed that all three images have some differences in them. To know that difference, we need to know different kinds of maps. There are three types of maps. Their names and definitions are given here, and we will discuss them in detail on the next page. The first one is distribution map. Distribution maps represent information for a specific subject, showing what the subject is, where it is, and how often it occurs. Next is political map. Political maps are designed to show governmental boundaries of countries, states, and the location of major cities. And they usually include significant bodies of water. Third one is physical map. It is a depiction of the geographic features of an area. In this image, you can see three maps. To the left is a distribution map. This map is giving us information of a specific subject, and that subject is given as a title on the top left corner of the map. And the subject is famous industries of Pakistan. So this map is giving you information of different industries of Pakistan. Distribution map is also called dot distribution map because it uses dot symbols in different colors to show the presence of a subject. In this map, dot pattern is letting you know of different industries through different colors of dots. The image in the middle of this picture is physical map that shows geographical features, or in other words, physical landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, and deserts. It also shows water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and with different colors. The image to the right shows a political map. A political map shows man-made boundaries between countries, cities, states, and neighborhoods. For example, this political map shows you the boundaries of different provinces of Pakistan and neighbor countries and their boundaries with Pakistan. Next topic is elements of a map. What is an element? To understand and read a map, we should know about the essential elements of a map so that you can use it properly. Without this element, a map is incomplete because these elements are actually the basic features of a map. There are 5 elements of a map. Let's discuss them. Let's take a title as the first one. Title. Title is a short summary of a map that tells you that the map is of which area or a country, and the title is usually mentioned on the top of a map. Next is direction. Every map has a compass that shows the basic directions, which are east, west, north, and south. That helps us to know the location of a place with reference to another. Sometimes only a straight arrow northwards is marked. That is called north arrow. With that north arrow, we can guess the rest of the directions on a map. Third element is scale. A scale is usually drawn in a corner of a map that shows you the distance of 2 points or places on a map in order to compare this distance on a map to the distance in the real world. Next element is signs. Signs are actually very small pictures or symbols. To show different features of land, some special signs or symbols are used on a map. These signs are made to look similar to the features of the earth they represent or they want to show. For example, in the previous images, in the distribution map, the dots of different colors and shapes were the symbols that represented different industries in different places. In the same picture, the physical map, a symbol of blue line can represent rivers or lakes. In the political map, boundaries of different provinces can be mentioned with a different symbol of different color and boundaries of countries with different color lines. Different blocks of symbols can be used to represent capitals of provinces. Next element is key. A key is usually shown in the form of a list or box at the bottom left or right of a map. And the different signs used in a map are shown in it. You can see the image in this page. The box is the key, also known as the legend, and it carries and shows you all the signs that you can see or use in a map. Now try to make any kind of map on your own and give it a title, show different directions on it, make a scale on the map showing the ratio between the actual size of Earth and the size on the map. And at last, make a key full of signs to help you understand the subject of the map. Good luck.